Types of fruits in Igbo. Types of fruits. Aha dị iche iche a na-akpọ mkpụrụ osisi. Mkpụrụ osisi dị iche iche n'asụsụ Igbo. Types of fruits. The first one, like we all know, orange. Orange. Oloma. Orange. Oloma. That's the name in Igbo. Then bananas. Unere. Bananas. Unere. I hope you're catching it. In case next time when you want to go and buy those things, call them in Igbo. We understand. All right. The next is coconut. Coconut. Aki beke. Coconut. Aki beke. I hope you're catching it. Pear. Pear. Ube. Pear. Ube. Lime. Lime. Olomankerese is a species of orange, you know. Orange is oloma. Oloma. Lime bụ oloma nkịrịsị. Oroma nkịrịsị. Oroma nkịrịsị. Okay? It's a species of orange, so it's named after that. Lime, oroma nkịrịsị. Okay, mango. Mango, the chocolate mango. Okay, it is called mangolo in Igbo. Mangolo is Igbonized. Okay, mango, mangolo. Mango, mangolo. The word mango is Igbonized from mango to mangolo. Okay, all right. Then onion. Onion, yabas. Onion, yabas. Pawpaw. Pawpaw. Ọkwụrụ bekee. Pawpaw. Ọkwụrụ bekee. I hope you're catching it. Pawpaw. Ọkwụrụ bekee. Yeah, these are some of the fruits in Igbo language. Then okra, the one we use for soup. Okra is also called okwuru. Okra, okwuru, okra, okwuru. Then pawpaw, okwuru bekee. Okay, like I used to tell you, Igbo language is very, very sweet. Learn Igbo in a fun way. I love you and I love Igbo language. This is your Igbo teacher. Do not forget to ask me any question at all you do not understand in Igbo, and I will explain to you. Igbo language is our culture. Igbo language is our heritage. We love Igbo and we love you. We want you to learn. Okay? Please follow this page, like, comment, share to those who want to learn. Okay, so that they can learn. And you ask questions in the comment section in case you do not understand. All right, for now, bye. Que